Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your WordPress site under construction. This is crucial for maintaining a professional image while you work on updates or new content. We'll cover two main approaches: using a dedicated plugin for ease and flexibility, or implementing a manual code solution for more control. Preparing your site properly ensures a seamless experience for both you and your visitors, preventing them from seeing a broken or incomplete website. Let's dive in. The simplest way to put your site under construction is by using a plugin. There are many excellent options available, often with hundreds of thousands of active installations. After installing and activating your chosen plugin, navigate to its settings. Here, you can easily enable maintenance mode, upload a custom logo, add a countdown timer, and even collect email addresses. This method requires minimal technical knowledge and offers extensive customization options to match your brand. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, you can manually implement an under-construction page using code. This typically involves adding a few lines of code to your theme's functions.php file or creating a maintenance.php file in your root directory. This method gives you complete control over the design and functionality, but it does require a basic understanding of PHP and file editing. Always back up your site before making any direct code changes to prevent issues. Once your under construction page is active, it's vital to test it thoroughly across different devices and browsers. Ensure all elements display correctly and that visitors understand the temporary nature of the page. Consider informing your audience through social media or email about the upcoming changes. When your site is fully ready, remember to deactivate the maintenance mode, whether through your plugin settings or by removing the manual code, to bring your updated site back online for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.